my puds, it's E-Class. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. So today guys, as you can tell by the title of the video, what this video is about, this is the little cute look that we came up with. I just was like, you know what I'm saying, it was sitting on the table and I really had no like grand idea of a look that I was gonna come up with anyway. So it was already on the table, so I just decided to use it again. So I only used 2 shades from the palette. I used this shade, and this shade I kept it real simple. I didn't do nothing crazy, or as you can tell. But yeah guys, oh yeah, and before I go, thank you to the new subscribers. I don't have your names, didn't nothing pop up as your name. I don't know why that does that. Like, if somebody subscribes to your channel, it should show the name, but it doesn't. I guess it's a privacy thing, whether they want to show their name or not. But yeah guys, let's get into this video. Okay guys, so I had this palette already sitting here on my desk, so I just said I'm going to reuse this palette, and you know, I just did a video with this palette doing a smoky eye, but it was already on my desk, and so I'm just going to go with this one because it was already here. So yeah, the first shade I'm going to go into is that pinky peachy looking color from the palette, and just stamp it right here. I'm gonna go in very, very lightly with that black shade right there. Base in the number 5, and I'm just gonna put some down just so the shadow can latch onto it. It's not gonna be a cut crease, it's just something for it to latch onto. Flat brush and go in to that same shade that I used and just pat that on. have that packed on, I'm just gonna go back into that black just to blend the two shades in together. Liquid liner and just line my eye. Just give it a little line. I ain't gonna say a little line, but you know. Blend out the edge. So I'm done with this eye. I'm just gonna go ahead and do my other eye off camera, throw my lashes on, and I'll be right back. So I already moisturized, so now I'm just gonna go in with my Olay SPF. Just need a little bit of it. With my e.l.f. matte primer. So now I'm taking my Milani powder in medium beach and just going over with a light layer of powder. Now I'm going to take my Morphe continuous spray. And let it dry down, and then we're gonna go in with some foundation. For foundation, we're gonna use the L'Oreal Infallible Foundation, the 24 Fresh Wear. Let me use my sponge. I still use it anyway. Waste not, wrong not. Then you can fix that easy with a lighter concealer. So now for highlight, I'm using a cream highlight, and I normally just use it under my concealer. Most people highlight under their foundation. I do it under my concealer. It looks better, and then you can see it a lot better under your concealer. go in with my L'Oreal Infallible concealer in the shade Honey. It's 415. Concealer, full coverage. Crayon Caes setting powder. Go ahead and set my highlight. I'm using the shade N. Contour as well with the same L'Oreal Infallible, and this is in Espresso. But I'm gonna get into these lips, child. This video, guys. Tell me what you think in the comment section down below, guys. What you think about this look. But in the meantime, between time, you guys take care. Don't forget forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and hit the bell notification for more videos. I'll see you guys in my next one. And may God open up the windows and pour you out of abundance of blessings.